Hello students, today we are going to do the problems of pair of linear equations in two variables 4.2. So first problem to 5 problems we are going to discuss in this video in this class. So again 5 to 6 5 to 10 I covered in the next class. So start with the first question. Okay, so start with the first question. The ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditure is 4:3. So ratio expenditure, this one is ratios of expenditure and this one income. Okay, total income. If the each of them manages to save the 2000 rupees per month, so find the monthly income. So dono will save 2000 per month, so we have to find their monthly income. So solution, we start with the solution. So given that two persons monthly ratio income of two persons 9:7. So their expenditure is 4:3. So let the income of two persons is 9x and 7x. So expenditure is also 4y is to 3y, like 9 3y. So the savings how much? 2000 per month, both the persons. So 9x minus 4y is equal to 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000 rupees. This is the first equation. And 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. So this is a second equation. So he's saying that the incomes of these two persons 9 and expenditure 4. 9 minus 4, it will come like this. Okay, so we have to cancel this one and we have to find x and y. So we can find their monthly income. So we multiply with this 7 1 and this multiply with the 9. Okay, so 7 9 ja 63 x minus 7 4 ja 28y is equal to 7 2 ja 14,000. So here 9 7 ja 63 x minus 9 3 ja 27 y is equal to 9 2 ja 18. So 18,000. So if we cancel, though, this minus, this will become plus and this will become minus. So it will get cancelled and it will become minus y is equal to how much it will come? Minus 4,000, because minus 28 plus 27 is equal to minus y. Okay, so here 18,000 14,000 minus 18,000 is equal to minus 4,000. So it will get cancelled and y is equal to 4,000 will remain. Okay, so y value we submit in the first equation. Okay, 9x minus 4 into 4,000 equal to 2,000. So 9x is equal to 4,000 16,000. It will goes here 2,000 plus 16,000 is equal to 18,000. So 9x is equal to 18,000 divided by 9. 9 1 ja 9 2 ja. So 2,000. X is equal to 2,000. So we can find the this total income of the person 1 and person 2. So income of first person is 9x is equal to 9 into 2,000 is equal to 18,000. Okay, so second person is equal to 7 into 2000 is equal to 14,000. So these are the answers. So income of the monthly income of these persons. Here second one is the sum of two digit numbers and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. If the digits of the number differs by 2, find the number. So difference is how much between the two, and find the number and how many such numbers are there. Okay, we have to find how many such numbers are there, we have to find. So start with the solution. Okay, so here two digit number na, so first we take in the first one's digit place. One's digit place is equal to x. Okay, and the second digit place is equal to y. Okay, so we'll take like this. So the value of number is equal to how much will become? Value of number is equal to how much? 10y plus x. Okay. So it is the first number, and second number will become, so reversing the values means 10x plus y here. So with this, so addition of these two things, first number and second number is equal to 66. 10x 10y plus x plus and 10x plus y is equal to 66. So we need to find here x plus y. Okay. So here 10y plus here y is plus 10x plus x is equal to 66. Here this is 11y plus 11x is equal to 66, and x plus y is equal to 66 by 11. So 11 will common from these both two, and will bring it here, and it will become divide. 11 1 ja, 11 6 ja. X plus y is equal to 6 is the answer here. So he is saying that also the digits of number, this difference is 2, given x minus 2 x minus y is equal to 2. So this is the second one, and this is the first one. So we do cancellation with simplification of these two equations. X plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 2. So it will both will cancel. 2x is equal to 8. Therefore x is equal to 8 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. X is equal to how much? 4. So x is equal to 4. So we submit in this one, x is equal to, and y become 2 we'll get. So x comma y we got. So the first number we can place in this one, and second number we place in this. Okay. So we get number like this. First one is 10y plus x. 10y means 10 into y means how much we got? 2 plus x means how much? 4. So 10 to the 20 plus 4 is equal to 24 we got, and 10x plus y is equal to 10 into x means 4 plus y means how much? 2. So 10 4 ja 40 plus 2 is equal to 42. So 24 and 42 is the numbers we get with the 66. So this is the answer. So third question, the larger of two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18, find the angles. So solution here, he's saying that the two supplementary angles exceeds one another. So first angle is x. Okay. Second angle is y will let. Okay. So addition of two supplementary angles is x plus y is equal to 180 here, and the here this is the first question, and first equation, and the second one is the supplementary angles exceeds smaller by 18. So x is equal to y plus 18, we can take it as. Okay. So x is equal to x minus y is equal to 18 will become. Okay. So it is second equation. So if we solve these two equations, we will get answer. X plus y is equal to 180 and x minus y is equal to 18. So here 2x is equal to 198, and x is equal to how much will become? So 198 divided by 2, soon 299 ja. So x is equal to 99 here, and y will become, so we submit in this one. So y it will come and it will goes here. So otherwise we'll put in this one, x is equal to we'll put in this one. So y is equal to 180 minus 99. So y is equal to how much will become? So 81 is the answer. So x and y angles, two angles are here. Okay. So this is the answer. The difference between these two is 18. Okay. So clear about that one. So here fourth one, the taxi charges in Hyderabad are fixed. So along with the charge for the distance covered, for distance of 10 km is 220 rupees, and for the journey of 15 km is 310. So what is the fixed charges for the per kilometer he is asking for here. So first solution here. So he asking for the what are the fixed charges and for the kilometer. So starting with the, let the fixed charge is fixed charge, we take it as x. Okay. And the per 1 kilometer is per 1 kilometer is y will we take it as. Okay. So the by the problem, from problem So he's saying that the charges are fixed, like fixed rate. Fixed rates is there na. 10 kilometers how much? X plus 10y is equal to 220. Okay. So it is first equation, and the second one equation is equal to here the charge is x, and how many kilometers? 220 here 15 kilometers. 15y is equal to how much? 310 rupees. So this is the second equation. We solve these two equations, we'll get the answer. So start we cancel this one. So minus minus and minus, it will get cancelled, and minus 5 will remain, pi will remain, and it will become minus 90. So minus minus will get cancelled, and y is equal to 90 divided by 5. 5 1 ja, and 5 8 ja 40. Okay. So this is a charge for 1 kilometer. Y is equal to how much? 18 rupees. So he asking for that how much does person have to pay the traveling distance of 25 kilometers. Second one solution here will come like this. Now the charge of distance travel to distance of 25 kilometers is equal to 25 into 18. So it will become how much will become come? 450 rupees it will become come. So we have to find the fixed charges also. Fixed charges means x here. So x means we take it as 10 plus x plus 10y is equal to 220. So in that we submit 18, y is equal to, so x plus 10 into 18 is equal to 220. So x is equal to 180. 220 minus 180 is equal to how much it will become? 40. 40 rupees is a fixed charge. Okay. So fixed charge this one x1, and a charge per kilometer is equal to y. So it will become like this. So answer is here 40 and 450. So fifth one, a fraction becomes 4 by 5 if 1 is added to the both numerator and denominator. If however 5 is subtracted from the both numerators and denominator, the fraction become 1 by 2. What is the fraction he asking? So we need to find the fraction. So solution here, start with the solution. So numerator we take it as x, and the denominator take it as y. So if 1 added to the numerator and denominator, x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 is equal to, it will become 4 by 5. Okay. And second one, however the 5 is subtracted from the both numerator and denominator. So here x minus 5 divided by y minus 5 is equal to 1 by 2. So these are the two equations we have to solve and take the answer, bring the answer. Okay. Start with the first one here. So this will become cross multiplication. 5 into x plus 1 is equal to 4 into y plus 1. Okay. So 5 into x, 5x here, 5 1 ja 5 is equal to 4 into y, 4y plus 4 1 ja the 4. So 4y will come here, 5x minus 4y is equal to 4 minus 5 is equal to 1 here, minus 1. So 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 1 is the first equation, and second equation. So cross multiplication. So 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 1 into y minus 5. 2 into x, 2x, 2 5 ja 10 here is equal to 1 into y, 1y minus 5. So 4 into y we did right now. Okay, right. So y will come here, 2x minus y is equal to the plus minus 10 will goes here, and plus it will become plus 10. So 2x minus y is equal to 5 is the second equation. We have to solve this. Okay. So 5x minus, so we 5x minus 4y is equal to 1 minus 1 here, and second one is 2x minus y is equal to 5. We multiply with this 2. Okay, and this with the 5. So 2 5 ja 10x minus 2 4 ja 8y is equal to 2 1 ja 2 minus 2. So we have to multiply with the total equation. Okay, remind that one. 5 2 ja 10x, 5 into y minus 5y, so is equal to 5 5 ja 25. So minus, it will become plus, it will become minus, it will get cancelled, and how much will remain? Minus 3y is equal to minus 27 will be minus minus will get cancelled. 3 1 ja 3 9 ja 27. So y is equal to how much we got? 9. So we submit in this one and we will get x also. 2x minus 9 is equal to 5. So 9 will go in the second equation. I am saying in the second equation y is equal to, I am submitting in the second equation. So 9 will goes here and 2x is equal to 5 plus 9 and it will become 14 and x is equal to 14 divided by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 7 ja 14 is the answer, is equal to 7 is the answer here. So x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 9. Numerator is how much? 7 and denominator is 9. Numerator is here and denominator is here. X by y is equal to 7 by 9. So this is a fraction. He asked for fraction. So this guys, the 5 answers and the remaining 5 questions we discuss in the next class. Thank you guys.